safe. I've been showing up at the gym consistently for almost 90 days now, without skipping. At the beginning, everything felt exciting, new, and surprisingly easy. I was losing weight, feeling stronger, and honestly, my confidence was growing fast. But once I crossed the 90-day mark, something quietly changed. I'm still training hard, but my body isn't responding the same way anymore. And if you're a woman watching this, chances are you felt this too. This is where many women get confused, frustrated, and even discouraged. And because no one explains what really needs to change after 90 days. The truth is, your body adapts, and doing the same things stops working. In this video, I'll break down exactly what women must change to keep seeing real results. In the first 90 days, almost any workout starts giving you results. Your body is new to exercise, so it reacts quickly to everything you do. That's why the early progress feels exciting and motivating. But after 90 days, your body becomes smarter and more efficient. And it no longer changes just because you show up and move. If you keep lifting the same weights, your body stays the same. Comfort might feel safe, but it slowly stops your progress. After 90 days, your workouts must become more intentional. That doesn't mean reckless or extreme training. It means challenging yourself in a smart, controlled way. Now is the time to track your progress carefully, not just hope for results. Every increase in weight, every extra rep matters more than before. Your body needs a reason to grow stronger and leaner. If you're doing the same thing you did at the start, your body has no reason to change. Growth comes from challenge, not from staying comfortable. You know what Rapporto says? That's why women often hit a plateau after 3 months. But the plateau isn't failure for us. It's a signal that you need to level up. You need smarter workouts, not longer ones. You need to lift heavier, focus on form, and push your limits safely. And that's exactly what separates beginners from women who truly transform their bodies.
After 90 days, many women check the scale and feel disappointed.
But the scale doesn't always tell the full story of your progress.
You could be gaining muscle, losing fat, and still see little change in weight. And that's why focusing only on pounds can be misleading. Instead, shift your focus to strength, energy, and how your clothes fit. In Huxoriasu, your body composition is more important than the number on the scale. Ask yourself, am I stronger than last month? Am I more confident in my clothes?
Do I have more energy throughout the day?
That is real progress, and it's the kind that lasts. Many women think more cardio automatically means more fat loss. After 90 days, your body adapts quickly to cardio, and the results stop. Spending hours running or doing endless cardio doesn't guarantee a leaner body. The real secret is strength training, because muscle burns calories even when you're resting. So if fat loss has slowed down, it's not your fault. It's it's your approach that needs an upgrade. And that brings us to nutrition, which becomes critical after 90 days. In the first few weeks, you could eat okay and still see results.
But after 90 days, what you eat directly impacts your progress.
Skipping meals, undereating, or avoiding carbs can actually stall your fat loss and strength gains.
Nutrition isn't punishment, guys. It's fuel for your performance, recovery, and results.
In the beginning, I could train hard every day and still feel fine. But after 90 days, my body started sending signals I couldn't ignore. I noticed constant soreness, fatigue, and sometimes even headaches. That's when I realized recovery is just as important as training itself. And sleep isn't optional yet. It's part of your workout routine now. Without proper rest, your muscles can't grow and your strength won't increase. Rest days are not laziness, Horgo. They are a strategy for stronger results. I schedule at least 1 or 2 rest days every week, and it makes a huge difference. Recovery also includes gentle stretching and mobility work after workouts. Listening to your body now is more important than pushing through pain like before. After 90 days, I realized that the biggest challenge isn't the weights or cardio. It's the mindset, how you think about your body and progress.
For months, I compared myself to other women in the gym or online.
And that only slowed down my own progress and confidence.
I had to shift my focus completely to myself, to Haim, my body, my energy, my results.
Comparison kills progress. Consistency and self-focus create transformation.
Your journey is unique and the only person you should measure yourself against is the person you were 90 days ago. Every day, focus on small improvements, not other people's progress. Because self-improvement, not comparison, is what creates real, lasting results. After 90 days, I stopped doing long, endless cardio every day. Instead, I focus on strength training because muscle burns fat even when I'm resting. I realized that cardio is useful, but only when done smartly and in moderation. 2 or 3 short sessions of HIIT or incline walking per week are enough.
Lifting heavier weights and challenging myself safely became my priority.
Strength training changed my body shape more than hours of cardio ever did.
Plus, it gave me confidence, Babe. I could feel my body becoming stronger each week.
Now, my workouts have purpose, David. Every rep, every set counts.
Cardio isn't punishment, it's just one tool alongside strength training.
Muscle is what keeps my metabolism active and my results lasting. After 90 days, working out stopped feeling like a challenge and started feeling like a part of my everyday life. I don't rely on motivation anymore, Bidet. I rely on discipline. Discipline means showing up even when I don't feel like it. My workouts are no longer punishment. They're a way to respect my body.
And every choice I make, Rudas, what I eat, how I rest, how I train, Rudas, shapes my results.
Strong women adjust their approach when progress slows. They don't quit. They build smarter, step by step. And that's the difference between short-term results and long-term transformation. Your next 90 days can be even more effective if you adjust now. If you've completed 90 days in the gym, congratulations, corded. You've proven consistency. Furley Herbal Day Grace. Now it's time to take your progress to the next level. Train smarter, not just harder. Focus on strength, nutrition, and recovery. All three matter equally.
Remember, consistency beats intensity every single time.
Your body listens to the choices you make each day, not the scale or social media. And this is just the beginning, Luna Macros. The real transformation is ahead. Strong women build their future one workout, one meal, and one rest day at a time. Keep showing up, keep adjusting, and your body will reward you. I'll see you in the next workout, Witty-Kited. Stronger, smarter, and more confident than before. That's fearful, ma'am. Let's quickly recap what changes after 90 days. First, you need smarter workouts. Progressive overload is key.
Second, change your goals, Parsid. Focus on strength, energy, and how you feel, not just the scale.
Third, cardio should be strategic, not endless. Fourth, nutrition matters more than ever to Tess. Fuel your body to perform, recover, and grow.
Fifth, recovery and sleep are non-negotiable to Thane. Muscles grow when you rest, not in the gym.
Sixth, stop comparing yourself to others. You have. Your progress is unique. And seventh, shift your mindset. New. Discipline replaces motivation. Consistency replaces struggle. Eighth, every choice you make, T-Brace, in training, nutrition, and recovery, builds your results. Follow these steps, and your next 90 days will be smarter, stronger, and more transformative than the first. Remember, strong women don't quit when results slow down. They adjust, they plan, and they continue showing up consistently.
Every rep, every meal, every rest day, Harry, it all adds up to transformation.
Your body listens to the choices you make. not the excuses you tell yourself.
Small improvements every day lead to results you'll see and feel.
Consistency, discipline, and self-focus are the real keys after 90 days. Celebrate the progress you've made, no matter how small it seems.
Keep showing up, keep adjusting, and your results will be unstoppable. You've already proven you can commit for 90 days to race. Now it's time to level up.
I'll see you in the next workout. Chase, stronger, smarter, and more confident than ever before.